Hey YouTube, this is my second clip. I just put some Battlefield clips in here. I'm going to try to play some Watch Dogs here so I can get some, post a Watch Dogs montage for you guys. I almost have enough videos to post a nice Madden montage, actually. So that's what I'll be doing. Leave a like, a comment, and you can subscribe if you like my channel enough. And comment your favorite guns, and which games you're looking forward to. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the rest of the video.
There's hostile LAV east of your current position. We now control objective